Number 1, I have peach. This is peach I bloom. Smell very good. Smell like a peach. Number 2, I have made in Japan bread. Smell like a butter. Number 3, I have yam roll. Smell like a chocolate. Number 4, I have dog. I have 2 dogs. This dog smell like a butter. This dog smell like a vanilla. Number 6, I have this. I have kitties. Stick kitties. It have a chocolate.
Is it good?
Yes, it's good.
Soft?
Yes, it's very soft.
What about smell?
Smell is a bread. Smell like bread. Number 7, I have jumbo bun. It's a little kuma and have a chocolate. Smell is a bun too. Number 8, I have hamburger. I have two hamburger.
2 hamburgers?
Number 11, I have this. This is a bear squishies.
Is it good, this one?
Yes, it's good, but it smell no good.
Smell bad?
Yes, it smell bad, but it's squishies.
Okay.